Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. National Fertilizers Limited has announced notification for the post of Accounts Assistant. This video is exclusively for BCom students because for other posts there are many other department or many other branches can apply. For this only BCom students can apply. So we'll see the total vacancies available and the age, education qualification required to apply for the post of Accounts Assistant. For the post of account assistant, pay scale is 23,000 to 56,500, and this is a basic pay, and along with this you will have other allowances. And we'll see the units where the posts are available. For Bathinda unit, you have total 2 vacancies and it is unreserved. Panipat unit has 4 vacancies and 3 are for unreserved and 1 for OBC. And marketing division, total 4 vacancies, 3 are for unreserved and 1 for OBC. Corporate office in Noida has 3 vacancies and 3 are unreserved. Other category students can apply, but you will be considered as unreserved only. You need to get marks according. And we'll see the age, qualification and eligibility criteria required. The minimum age required is 18 years and the maximum age is 30 years. Education qualification is BCom with 50%. Some students who are having problem with CGPA, whose CGPA is not equivalent to their percentage, they need to bring conversion certificate from their academic section. And we'll see more details. Whatever the age and education qualification cutoff date is 30 November 2020. And the fees you need to pay for this application is 200 plus charges, other charges applicable. And these are non-refundable fees. We'll see any other information required. Yeah, along with this basic pay, you will get DR allowances, house rent allowances, company account. If company account accommodation is not available, then you will get house rent allowances. Along with you will have leave encashment, medical facility, performance related pay, contributory provident fund, contributory superannuation benefit fund scheme, group personal accident insurance, and any other whichever applicable. And we'll see the examination pattern. It is online examination and it is for 150 marks. It is objective type only, and there are specific centers. We'll see what are those: Jammu, Kashmir, Bhopal, Chandigarh, Delhi, NCR, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Bhubaneswar, Ranchi, Bangalore, Kochi, Amravati, Guwahati and Lucknow. So check before applying whether you are in that particular center area. And no TA or DA will be paid for examination. And this online test have 2 parts. One is discipline related questions and aptitude. The medium test will be in Hindi and English. The duration of test is 2 hours. The total number of questions will be 150 and each one will carry 1 mark. So 100 questions would be for your BCom and 50 from general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning and general knowledge or awareness. And one more important thing to notice: no negative marking for wrong. No negative marking for wrong answer. And the examination level will be of your graduation level. Final selection will be based on only online test, and you need to get minimum of 50%. That is 75 marks or above to get into the final list. And we'll see more details. If you have any queries regarding application or if you face any problem during application, let me know. The start of application from 23rd of December 2020 and the last date for submission is 22nd January 2021. And they already mentioned one important note, that is candidates are advised to submit their online application in time to avoid last minute rush. So those who want to apply for this post, at least apply before last date, at least 2-3 days. Thank you. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section.